The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Minutes from the Fed's December meeting show that most Fed officials support a continuing gradual approach to raising interest rates. The outlook for economic activity was described as strong and strengthening, and the labor market as well.
Well, they're going to raise rates. They're a little slow, aren't they? Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. Raising rates so slowly is a problem. When you do that, that's weakening the dollar, and the weakening the dollar will weaken the global economy, and it can take this whole stock market down. You know, Greenspan, think about what he did. Over a 2-year period, he had 17 rate hikes. You have to get those rates back up. He went from 1% to 5.25%. B, on the other hand, only did 4 hikes, from 0% to 1%. Now, that's a problem. She's not raising the rates fast enough. You've got to get these rates back up. These low rates are killing the economy from within. It's these low rates that keep the stock market going higher and higher, because it's the low rates that's the stimulus that we still, believe me, at these rates, CEOs are still borrowing money, and they're still doing stock buybacks. The rates are extremely low. And when you have rates this low, you kill the economy, you kill it from within, you're killing jobs. And what's happening is we see the stock market going up 270% since 2008. We see this year alone it goes up about 25%. And once again, people confuse it with the stock market, with the economy. And they say, oh, the economy's doing terrific. And that's all you hear. Every day they're telling how the economy's doing terrific because of the stock market, when they're not connected at all. But
the momentum is with the market. The earnings are fantastic. The sales were fantastic. The consumer is really behind everything, pushing everything forward. The momentum is there.
That's a total lie. The consumer is not behind the market. Consumption is 70% of our economic growth. We know that. But where's the consumption coming from? From credit. They're creating a huge bubble between the auto loans, the student loans. That is our economy, by the way. The auto loans and student loans is what has propped up this economy, and the low rates. That's the economy. That's what we do. Student loans and sell cars. That's it. We manufacture very little. We outsource all our jobs. The consumer is not doing fantastic. How can you say the consumer is doing fantastic when household debt, which are consumers, at the highest ever at $12 trillion, and they're choking, and they are working from check to check, paycheck to paycheck? We've never had so many people working 2 and 3 jobs. This is all nonsense. But as long as the stock market keeps going up, they can sell that. They can say anything, and we will believe it, because people really think the stock market is the economy. And as long as they keep that fake narrative going, and as long as they keep printing money, and as long as CEOs are tied, their compensation tied to stocks, how high their stock goes, that's how they get compensated. This stock market will keep going, and people will keep believing the economy is terrific, but people also will be saying, I don't feel it. I don't feel it. I know I go shopping every Saturday down to Publix, this big supermarket. I love going shopping for food for my wife because I get to talk to everybody. And everybody says the same thing to me. I don't feel this. What I hear on CNBC and Fox, and I don't feel it. Because it's not happening for them. It's all made up. Earnings are strong, they say.
Frankly, when we look at economic growth, it still looks pretty solid. Earnings growth looks robust.
No, earnings growth is not robust. Where's the earnings growth coming from? A handful of stocks. You have the FANG stocks. That's where most of the growth is coming from. 4 stocks. Add Apple, add Microsoft, and that's where it is. Think about it. Of the S&P 500 stocks, just 1% are for the S&P 500 stocks, which is Facebook, Netflix, Google, Amazon, account for more than half of the $6 trillion of the gains we had in 2017. If you take Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, makes up 48% of the S&P technology sector and its market cap, and which makes up 23% of the market weight of the S&P. So the bottom line is we have so few stocks that are carrying this whole stock market. You have 6 stocks that are holding this whole stock market up. And the key is, as long as we continue with stock buybacks, the market will continue to go up. And Trump will not stop the stock buybacks. To continue the stock buybacks, he's got to keep making sure interest rates stay low. And he will do that. He's got to make sure the dollar stays low. And he is doing that. And now, when you see everybody getting out of the bond market, coming into the stock market, what happens? You see people selling their bonds, selling their treasuries, and then you see the yields, the interest rate on the bonds and treasuries go higher, which makes the dollar even weaker, which makes the stock market go up, which also make gold going up. Matter of fact, I said to you the last few weeks, I kept saying, why don't you join my gang? Join my video, the MV2 video. There I tell you exactly what to do. You don't have to think. You don't have to learn anything. You just follow my video. And I started with ABX a couple of days ago. ABX Gold, it's up already. ABX is already up from the time it turned green to where it is today, 11%. Some people already have 3%, 5% gains on ABX. Gold is going to keep going higher. Now is the time to get in. So just follow me on my gold stock. I do a video every night on ABX and tell you exactly when to add to your position or not to add. But golds are going to continue, metals are going to continue to go higher because we're going to keep driving this dollar down. And nobody is talking about the weak dollar. Nobody's talking about the fact that the dollar this year alone has dropped 13%. 13%. You lost value. You go to the supermarket and take out a piece of paper called the dollar, which is nothing but a useless piece of paper. The value has dropped 13%. It's dropped 40% since 2002. So think about this. How could you have a 500 stocks, the S&P 500, and you only have 4 of those stocks accounting for more than half of the profits? And by the way, when they tell you we have strong earnings, you know where the earnings are coming from? Outsourcing. They don't tell you that. The biggest cost with any large corporation or small corporation is labor, and they keep outsourcing. And the more you keep the dollar dropping, the more expensive it is to import goods. Your wages aren't going up, but you're paying more for clothes and everything else. And what does that do? That means they're going to outsource more jobs to corporations. We'll be right back. Talk about some stocks and how to make money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Thousands of investors trust philsgang.com to deliver the tools and resources they need to invest with confidence. With the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts, you have the power to create highest quality, color-coded, easy-to-read charts in just a few simple clicks. Designed specifically for technical analysis and investing, the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock chart seamlessly integrates and functions on mobile, tablet, desktop, and web devices. Isn't it time you leave behind the old stock research routine, spending hours reading websites, out-of-date newsletters, and magazines? Instead, subscribe to the Phil's Gang Max Vest 1000 stock charts and plan your entire investment strategy. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264, and we'll see you on the charts. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
There is no expiry date on a bull market. This market remains driven on fundamentals.
Oh, really? You know, they said the same thing. This is our third bubble. Remember our dot-com bubble, our housing bubble. This is our QE bubble. Bubbles are all the same. At some point, the debt has to be paid back. Remember, bubbles are fake wealth effects. In other words, like the housing bubble was a fake wealth effect. They were able to create this beautiful housing bubble by giving you easy credit, plenty of money, low rates, all kinds of tricks so you go out and mortgage a house, pick your own payment. That's creating a bubble. That's what they do. Our owners, the 1 percentile, or let's say this, the 1% of the 1%, they are master bubble makers. That's what they do. They create bubbles. We are in a magnificent bubble. Huge bubble. A big, fat bubble. As you remember, our president called it, not our president, but our candidate, Trump, called it the big, fat bubble. He's correct, and it's still a big, fat bubble. The problem is, he says, this guy here says, well, the bull market is strong because of fundamentals. No, that's a lie. People, the institutions that make stocks move higher, they don't buy because of fundamentals. Are you kidding me? That doesn't happen anymore. The institutions that make stocks go up, they do not at all buy stocks because of the PE ratio. They don't buy stocks because of the price to book or the profit margin or the operating margins or what are the returns on assets? What are the return on equity? So we can judge management. Nobody cares about management anymore. This is a big machine. A big machine. They have even taken out the core of the stock market, which is price discovery, where two people like you and me get together and buy and sell. I'm either buyer or you're the seller. We barter back and forth. That's gone now. Nobody buys and sells and barters. It's controlled with computers. By God, if you haven't had a 10% correction in 2 years, you haven't had a 5% correction in a year and a half, we haven't even had a measly 3% correction, 3% since last March. You're not saying that this market's not financially engineered? Yes, so get in the market because it is financially engineered. The only thing you need to do is know when to get out. These guys wouldn't know when to get out. They tripped over it. Anybody in 401ks, if you're lucky enough, you had enough money to keep contributing your 401k and you made some money, you're not going to ever keep that money. You're going to give that money back. Nobody ever cashes out their 401k at the right time. They always draw, they always lose their profits in their 401k. This is crazy. And remember, only the 1 percentile control 40% of the value of the stock market. The stock market since 2008 went up $126 trillion. The 1 percentile control 40% of that. The profits went to them. If you take the 13% rally since Trump was elected, or since Trump became November of 2016, he was elected president, to the last day of 2017, the market went up about 30%. The value the value increased about $7 trillion. Well, who gets the $7 trillion? Where does it go? It doesn't go to Main Street. It doesn't trickle down to the workers. They don't get anything out of it. Nor do they get anything out of the $126 trillion. They don't get anything out of it. It goes to the owners, to the 1 percentile. It goes to the big fat shareholders. It goes to the CEOs. And that's it. It doesn't reach Main Street. That's why it's a joke when they say the stock market reflects the economy. What a joke. How does it reflect the economy when none of those trillions of dollars trickle down to wages? It doesn't happen. The stock market's fabulous. We've never seen anything like this. And you're not in the stock market? Are you nuts? So why don't you start today? And the best program I can offer you for those people who say every day, I don't want anything to do with stocks. I don't want to learn. I don't want to take time to go to class. I don't want to know anything, but I just want to make money. Well, that's the program I designed. You just make money. Example, this is the truth. Take ABX. Didn't I tell you in the last few days, please join my gang. Follow ABX. I will tell you when to buy it. I even said to you, I'll give you my color-coded chart for 1 month, free, for 1 month. And now it's up. Look, it's up beautifully. It's up 11%. I tell you, I'll do it again right now. I'm going to beg you again. I will give you, you join the gang right now, $39.95 before we close at 5 o'clock here. I will give you my color-coded chart free. It's a $19.95. You get it free for 1 month. And all you do is follow me. Just do exactly what I tell you to. I do a video every night. I do the video during the day. You have updates. And if you're working, you're a painter, you're a contractor, you're a truck driver going across from coast to coast, you're a bricklayer, you do mason work, whatever you do, takes you just 1 to 10 seconds, 15, say even 15 seconds. Click on the computer, Phil's Gang, go to where it says the MV2 video. You click on, and I'm right there with a video telling you, okay, here's what we're going to do next. Here's what we're going to do next. If you just follow me, you're not going to go wrong. And guess what? Here's the good news. We will be out before it goes down. Because why? Who do we follow? Some dope on CNBC? What are you, nuts? Or some dope on Fox? No. We follow the institutional money. That's who we follow. We'll be right back. Join my gang. Get your free chart right now.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Here is the number that you need, okay, to make a difference in your financial life. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. It's $39.95. Join the gang, and why don't you start out with our program that's so successful, it's incredible. It's for people who say, I don't want to do anything, I just want to make money. I don't want to learn because I don't have time. And that's what this program's about. Every day I do a video, and I redo the videos all during the day, 24 hours a day. We redo the videos. For example, we bought gold when our chart, our MV2 chart, it showed us the institution buyers were coming in and buying gold, AU. It went up over 10%. It showed the institutional investors were getting out, and we got out. And guess what? It pulled all the way back. If you stayed in, you would have lost all the gains.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
After going through the global financial crisis, we had a very weak jobs recovery. When I say weak, I mean low quality. So we had people getting jobs again, but they were not equivalent to the kinds of jobs they had before the global financial crisis. And so as a result, we didn't see much in the way of wage pressure.
Wage pressure? There hasn't been any wage pressure. Why would there be wage pressure if they're going to outsource your job? Remember what I said. The one thing that Trump made a big mistake with is that he didn't do a mandate on these corporations. He should have said, I will give you the benefit of the tax cut. We will drop the rate for you only if you increase productivity, which means wages will go up, which means your lifestyle goes up. Remember, your lifestyle is tied to productivity. Listen to this.
How do you get higher productivity if you have a higher magnitude of a service economy? You can't. You can't measure how fast the waiter comes back and forth from your table.
That's right. All the jobs are service jobs, so you can't get productivity. Productivity comes about in manufacturing and construction and drilling, those kind of jobs. But those jobs aren't being filled. Oh, you hear on TV and you hear from Varney, you hear from the rest. Oh, boy, things are good with the construction jobs. No, they're not. We're not at full employment when it comes to the high-paying construction, manufacturing, and drilling and mining. No, we're not. We're not even close to it because all the jobs are still service jobs. Trump's 1.7 million jobs were better than Obama's, but still mostly service jobs. And when you have service jobs, people use what? Credit cards. When people go buy a car because you have a service job, what do? You go down and sit with the dealer, and he'll give you that car for almost nothing down, as long as you can make the payment. Most people don't even ask about the payment. They ask about the late payment. The auto sales is the backbone of this country. You pull the auto sales out, and let me tell you what's going to happen. These auto sales are going to collapse this year. They're going to collapse because with the interest rate increasing, and when you also take where the dollar is dropping, and why? Because, again, people are dumping bonds to buy stocks, which means the yields or interest rate on the 10-year Treasury that affects your house, your car, whatever, it's continuing to go higher. This is going to be a strain. And they're going to keep raising rates, they say. Remember, 3 more rate hikes. Why do you think the banks aren't going up? But I don't care about any of that. You shouldn't care about any of that. If we dug up J.P. Morgan, he'd say he wouldn't care about that. Because the way to make money today, because there's no fundamentals, is you've got to take this system, this mechanism is in front of us, this beautiful thing that they did. They just cheat. You don't have to worry about company making money anymore. Prosperity, remember, without profits. That's what stock buybacks are. So you've got to get involved. But the beautiful thing is you want to be involved in the metals. You also want to be involved in stocks that are in industrial stocks like Caterpillar. You want to be into material stocks like Dow Chemical. Material stocks, industrial stocks do terrific when the dollar is going down. But you haven't got to know a thing about that. You haven't got to study it. You haven't got to go to a broker and ask them, because when I spot one of those stocks, I'll put it on my MV2 chart, which, by the way, is $25, not $19, and I'll give it to you free right now. At 5 o'clock, we close it out, because I want you to get going. Look at AUI. AUI is gold. I begged you, please join the gang. Let me give you the chart free for a month and just follow me. It takes you 1 minute a day, not even 1 minute a day with the video. AUI right now is up 41%. AU, another gold, 19%. Nugget, 40%. GDX, 11%. ABX right now is up 11%. But let's put that, it's not important. Let's cut it all back. Let's say everybody made 5 or 6%. Because you're never going to believe the 40%, the 11%, 12%, you won't believe it. So let's say everybody made a 5% return so far. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with a 5% return? And you haven't got to do a thing. All you got to do is click on and look at the video and follow the instructions on that one stock I'm telling you that I do every night, over and over and over, and during the day we repeat it. So here's the number. I have extra people right now here, 877-600-GANG. Again, I brought them in, 877-600-GANG, because I keep getting complaints. They call, and the phone's always busy. 877-600-GANG, and they're waiting for your call. You will get the chart free, the video chart free for a month. And then, remember, you got to join the gang for $39.95. Then you get the chart free. And then starting tonight, follow me with ABX. Another stock, silver. Silver is going to start soaring. That stock's ready to break out. And I'm putting it on one of the videos. So you can follow silver, PAAS. That's the symbol. What a way to do it. You haven't got to think about anything. All right. You know, these tax cuts, and talking about this productivity, I'm sorry, jumping around here. Productivity. Productivity is what drives quality of life. How you live. It's not tax cuts. They're making it sound like tax cuts is driving the quality of life. Tax cuts don't drive anything. All the tax cut does is make the corporation more money to the bottom line because they're paying less in taxes. The money goes to the bottom line. It does nothing for the economy. This is a bunch of nonsense. This is a bunch of nonsense. When a corporation, large corporation, saves $5 million in taxes, it doesn't improve your life. It goes to the bottom line. But you don't share in it. The guy on Main Street doesn't share on it. It doesn't trickle down. It goes to who? It goes to the CEO because his compensation is tied to the stock market. It goes to the big fat investor, the 1 percentile. That's who it goes to, plus the CEO, the board of directors. And that's it. It doesn't get out there to the people. It doesn't. You don't see any increase in wages, nothing. It doesn't get to you. It's ridiculous, isn't it? So the way you got to pick up value is start buying the stock. You just got to know when to get out. And that's what's always scared you. But these tax cuts do not drive quality of life. What drives quality of life is productivity, because when a company, instead of the CEO taking that money and putting it in his pocket and giving big distribution to his fat stockholders, shareholders, that money, when he puts it back into the company, plow it in and borrow even more money and plow it into the company as business investment and get new machinery, that increases productivity. That's where increased wages come from. And with increased wages, we have increased consumption. Consumption is where we get our economic GDP. And if you believe anybody is telling you, and you hear it on TV every day, our GDP for 2018 is going to be 3 to 4%, they are lying to you. Our GDP for the last 8 years annually has been 1.8%. You're not going to get to 3%. The problem with our tax bill, what's missing in the tax bill, is, as I said, we can't force the large corporations, the CEOs, to take that $10 million tax savings and put it into machinery, into productivity, so wages go up. They should have mandated that, but they didn't. There's no mandate for business investment. Isn't that stupid? So the economy is at a 1.8% annual GDP growth rate. It's impossible to get it to 3% when CEOs and the shareholders are taking that money and putting it in their pocket. It's just such a stupid thing. And also, Reagan, Baby Bush, go look at those tax cuts. Nothing happened with those tax cuts. The economy didn't grow at all with those tax cuts. Or under Kennedy. It doesn't happen that way. 877-600-GANG, get your free chart, and I'll start the video immediately after the radio show. Don't miss it.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com, or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy of Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. Learn, invest, and make profits with Phil Grandy. Simply go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, the government is not going to be able to grow this economy. That's not what governments do. Remember, governments don't create jobs. Governments are supposed to create an environment for entrepreneurs to do startup businesses. That's where most of the jobs come from, startup businesses. Government's supposed to create an environment of low interest rates, low regulations, so that the entrepreneur or the person, the entrepreneur or he has a small business, wants to expand it, he can go and he can borrow money. See, it's the small business that drive the jobs. It drives almost 70% of our jobs. Not GE, not Apple, the small business. But the small business is getting screwed because we borrow so much, the government borrows so much, it crowds out small business. What does that mean? When a small business wants to go to the bank and borrow money because he wants to expand his business, interest rates are up. That's called crowding out. Why? Because the government borrows so much money that it raises rates. And the small businessman who wants to add on to his business or start a business, interest rates are too high. The numbers don't make sense. And not only that, but the money is not available, even if the interest rates did make sense, because what the government is doing, or the Federal Reserve, the private bank owned by the 1 percentile, or what they're doing, they're saying to all the banks, hey, we'll give you money. Here's all this money at a low interest rate. Then what we want you to do is give it back to us. We'll open up a savings account here at the Federal Reserve, and we'll make sure that we give you more interest than you'd ever make loaning. That started in 2008 under a new law they put in place. They said that was going to be temporary for about 9 months. And guess what? Here it is, almost 9 years later, they're still doing it. And that's hurting the economy. The only thing that you got going for you right now is a stock market that's rigged. Thank God it's rigged. All you got to know is when to get out. And each individual stock I do with you, you will know when to get out, because I will have you out. Because the institutions are pretty smart, aren't they? Look, here's one thing we know. You can't grow the economy when the government spends $121,000 a second, $7 million a minute, $435 million per hour, $10 billion a day. It doesn't work. You can't keep spending like that and grow the economy. It's impossible. That's impossible. And then the government's borrowing $52,000 a second, $1 million a minute, $187 per hour, and $4 billion a day. Can you imagine? They're borrowing $4 billion a day, and they're spending $10 billion a day. This is nuts. They've increased under Obama our debt by 80%. The government borrows 40% of the money it spends. How are you going to grow the economy? But they don't tell you this. For every $1 the government takes in revenue, it spends $2.06. What, are you nuts? The Congress borrows 42 cents of each dollar it spends. It wastes 43 cents of each dollar it spends. You got entitlements that are consuming almost $800 billion, or 21% of our budget. They should be cutting it. They don't. We have a very weak dollar, and take advantage of it right now, especially with mining stocks and the stock market. The lower the dollar goes, the higher the market goes. You just got to know when to get out, and I will do that for you. I promise you. You will be out. It's not going to be like all the other times that you got stuck. Look, you have the banks, insurance companies, pension funds, hedge funds, REITs, investment advisors, endowments, mutual funds. They're the people. Those are called institutions. They're the ones that make the stock market go up. You follow them, and that's exactly what my algorithms do. That's exactly how I design this chart. And then I coach you through it. So here's the number. We're going to start out right now tonight with GE. It's going to be on the video, and ABX is going to be on the video. Start with those two. Don't do anything I don't tell you to do. Do exactly what I say. And when I say, let's invest more money, we put in more money. When I tell you to take out money, we take out money. When I tell you to run like hell, you run like hell. That's all you do. You take 5 minutes of your life a day, not even that. And you're going to make money at the end of the month. If you don't, that's the end of it. So I'm going to give you right now the free chart, which is $25. I'll give you that for a month free, so you can follow me. And you got to buy the membership. It's only $39.95. Including the $39.95 is the free chart that we sell for $25. Pretty good deal. At the end of the month, if you're not happy, just leave. That's it. If you're happy and you stay and you're making money and you like the service, remember St. Jude. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Look. These tax cuts, they made it sound like it's going to be unbelievable. And that's why the market shot up from November 2016 all the way up to the end of the year of 2017. Because everybody thought this tax cut was going to be so incredible. It was going to cure polio. It was going to cure athletes' feet. It was going to cure everything. It's unbelievable. But it's not doing anything. Tax cuts don't do anything for you and me. So let's stay with the right stocks, especially the industrial stocks, the material stocks. You haven't got to worry. I'll pick it out. I'll put it on the video and do exactly what I tell you to do. They keep saying us, oh, 2008, 18, don't worry. You're going to have more of the same. It's going to be just like 2017. I hope they're right. And maybe they are. Because Trump, I know one thing about Trump. He's going to continue the very fake narrative. Remember the market that he called was a big, fat, ugly bubble, who he said when interest rates go up, it'll collapse. Remember that? Well, now he owns the market. And now he's saying, I'm going to keep this market going up. This market's fantastic, he keeps telling us. And the market's going to go higher. He keeps telling us that.
The stock market is at an all-time high and continues to go up, up, up.
So what he's telling you? When's the last time a president ever said to you, I'm going to force the stock market to go up, up, up? And I'm going to do it by stock buybacks. I'm going to do it by printing money. I'm going to do it by putting my own man in at the Federal Reserve to be chairman, an investment banker from Wall Street who will do exactly what I tell him to do. And we're even going to do more QE. We'll probably even raise lower rates because we're going to double the stock market. So I will follow for you starting tonight with gold, with ABX and GE. When the banks and insurance companies, and we saw today, banks, insurance companies, and pension funds and hedge funds are all starting to put money back in GE. GE got slaughtered. They're putting money back in. We see it now. So I'll do the video for you. There's no way you can make a mistake. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call, and we'll shut it off at 5 o'clock. Look, the only way they're going to reach a 3% GDP is through financial trickery. They're going to do it by adjusting inventory because it's impossible to hit 3%. When we've been at 1.8% for 9 years, all of a sudden magic, we're going to go to 3. You know what they have to do to get to 3%? It's impossible. It's impossible. You can't have economic growth with a weak dollar. You can't have economic GDP growth from 2% to 3% when Congress burns through $121,000 a second or $10 billion a day, or when the government, every $1 it takes in tax revenue, spends $2.06 and borrows 42 cents of each dollar it spends, or when corporate debt is at a record high of $6 trillion. With only $850 million in cash. Corporations have debt of $6 trillion, only have $850 million in cash. Are you nuts? You can't have economic growth of 2 to 3%, especially when our economic growth in the last 9 years came from student loans and car loans. What are you, nuts? You can't have economic growth of 2 to 3% when the U.S. debt is growing 7 times faster than our economic growth, and household debt is growing 60% faster than wages. How do you grow when household debt is growing 60% faster than wages and economic growth? Are you kidding me? When the debt is growing at 7 times faster than our economic growth? You can't have a GDP of 2 to 3% when you have $20 trillion in national debt, then add another $1.5 trillion in tax cuts, add that to our deficit, then not cut entitlements that consume $769 billion or 21% of our budget. They're not cutting anything. Here's the number. Call right now, 877-600-GANG. Get your free video, and then start following me tonight on your first video that will be GE and will be ABX Gold.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom.